In this video, we will show you how to replace your 194 bumper marker light bulb. Let's get started. Okay friends, let's get started on the job. To easily access this, you're going to come underneath the front bumper of the vehicle. Commonly, there's going to be a piece of plastic here. There's going to be a couple bolts that hold it in place. Ours is missing. Go ahead and remove the bolts and the plastic panel. Once you've done that, you can reach up along the bumper and remove the wiring. Let's grab onto this and we'll give it a twist counterclockwise to remove it from the assembly. After you've done that, you can continue on by removing that 194 bulb from the socket. There it is, friends. Let's give that socket a quick inspection for corrosion. Assuming it looks good, continue on with your brand new 194 bulb. We'll push that into place. Now we can put the bulb and the bulb socket into the lamp assembly. We'll line up the locking tabs and turn it clockwise to lock it in. After that, go ahead and put in your plastic panel and make your way out from under the vehicle.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.